I could say that I'm an honest human being, but what you're really seeing is the truth. But times go and change, I really don't know what I'm feeling. The one thing that I know is that I'm with you. I know there's pain, this life it ain't so easy, and people go and leave you all alone. And I can't complain, I've been blessed with many things, and in the end I know that I'll be home. Let the bad times roll, I'm with you and you're with me. Let the bad times roll, 'cause we're together, and that's all that matters to me.
And I gotta say, fellowship in pain is a kind that never fades away, which is why I don't fight it. I let it come. The peace I receive when it's over is a different one. So for the lack of better words, it's intimate. A bad time will show me all my pride and it'll murder it. You've heard of it, right? The sound of a soul cry. So much louder when there's someone else by its side. My brothers and my sisters, when you see it coming, the wave of pain, stand firm and stop your running. I think we all agree that it can't be stopped, but if we all hold our breath, then how can we not? Sharing this connection or this empathy, so much stronger than our good times through anything. Personally, I think that it's a better day when the light shines and I see the darkness run away.
Let the bad times roll, 'cause I'm with you and you're with me. Let the bad times roll, 'cause we're together, and that's all that matters to me. Sometimes they say about the things you're keeping, you don't know what you've got until it's gone. But I'm here to stay, of course, until I'm leaving. To life it calls it quits and then I fall. I know there's a way to eternity in heaven, for I will say that Jesus is my truth. Smile on my face, yes, that's what I'll be keeping. When all is through, I'll come back home to you. I'll come back home to you. Let the bad times roll, 'cause I'm with you and you're with me. Let the bad times roll, 'cause we're together, and that's all that matters to me. It's my favorite. I love smiling. Smiling. Smiling, smiling, smiling. Wait, is this recording?